flexible body. Let's begin. Seated forward bend stretches the spine and hamstrings. Fold forward gently from the hips and breathe slowly, feeling calm and release. Wide angle seated forward bend opens the hips and stretches the spine and legs. Sit tall, fold forward slowly, and breathe deeply, feeling release and calm. Wide angle seated forward bend stretches the hips and spine. Sit tall, fold forward gently, and breathe steadily, feeling calm and release. Standing forward fold stretches the spine and hamstrings. Hinge from the hips, let the head relax, and breathe slowly, feeling release and calm. Seated side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides of the body. Sit tall, reach one arm overhead, lean gently, and breathe deeply, feeling space and calm. Seated side stretch lengthens the sides and opens the ribs. Reach one arm overhead, lean gently to the side, and breathe steadily, feeling space and release. Camel pose opens the chest and stretches the front of the body. Press your shins into the mat. Reach back with your arms and breathe deeply, feeling space and energy. Wheel pose strengthens the arms, legs, and back while opening the chest. Press your hands and feet into the mat. Lift the body upward and breathe deeply, feeling power and expansion. Bow pose opens the chest and stretches the front of the body. Lift your chest and legs, hold the ankles, and breathe deeply, feeling strength and energy. King pigeon pose deeply opens the hips and chest. Bend the back leg, lift through the chest, and breathe slowly, feeling openness and strength. King pigeon pose stretches the hips and chest deeply. Bend the back leg, lift the chest, and breathe steadily, feeling openness and release. Reclined hand to big toe pose stretches the hamstrings and calves. Lie on your back, hold your foot with your hand, extend the leg, and breathe slowly, feeling length and release. Reclined hand to big toe pose stretches the legs and hips. Hold your foot, extend the leg, and breathe steadily, feeling length and release. Frog pose deeply opens the hips and inner thighs. Position your legs wide, keep your hips low, and breathe slowly, feeling release and flexibility. Monkey pose stretches the hamstrings and opens the hips. Step one leg forward, hinge at the hips, reach your arms up and breathe deeply, feeling length and release. Firefly pose strengthens the arms and core while stretching the legs. Balance on your hands, extend your legs forward, and breathe steadily, feeling strength and focus.